Welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Discord users face: voice problems. Whether you're experiencing distorted sound, echo, or no audio at all, we'll go through some effective steps to help you fix these issues. Let's dive right in. First, let's check your Discord audio settings. Open the Discord app and tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the settings menu. Look for the gear icon and tap on it to access your settings. Once you're in settings, navigate to the voice section. Here, you can adjust your input and output devices, as well as other audio settings. Make sure everything is set correctly. If your audio settings seem fine, the next step is to restart Discord and your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues, including voice problems. Close the app completely and then reopen it. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your device as well. Now, let's check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can cause significant voice issues on Discord. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a stable mobile data connection. If possible, try running a speed test to see if your connection is strong enough for voice chat. Next, if you're using a VPN, consider disabling it. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Discord's voice connection, leading to problems with audio. Temporarily turning off your VPN may help restore proper functionality. If you've tried all of the above steps and still have issues, it might be time to contact Discord support. They can provide specialized assistance and help troubleshoot any remaining problems you're facing. And there you have it. Those are some effective ways to fix Discord voice problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.